Welcome, my dear students. Let's read chapter 8 of class 4, and the chapter is case. The use of noun or pronoun is called case. It has 4 kinds. Nominative case, which is also called subjective case, objective case, possessive case, and vocative case. Noun or pronoun used as subject is called subjective case or nominative case. Noun or pronoun used as object is called objective case. When any word shows relation or possession, that is called possessive case. And when noun or pronoun is used to call or address someone, that is called vocative case or case of address. Nominative case is also known as subjective case, and objective case is also known as accusative case. Possessive case is also known as genitive case, and vocative case is also known as case of address. Let's solve its exercise work to understand it in better way. A. Underline the nominative case. Sentences are given here. Ram runs fast. Here, Ram is the subject of this sentence, so Ram is in nominative case. Ajay went to Mumbai. Ajay is the right answer here. Ajay is in nominative case. Ajay is the subject of this sentence. He is writing a letter. He is nominative case because he is the subject of the sentence. Sohan is clever. Sohan is the right answer. Sohan is in nominative case. It is the subject of the sentence. And the dog is barking. Answer is the dog. It means the dog is in nominative case. B. Pick out the objective case in each sentence and write in the space given. Sita reads a book. Objective case is a book. When noun or pronoun is used as object, that is called objective case. So here a book is object and a book is in objective case. Ram is writing a letter. Answer is a letter. The teacher is teaching a book. Answer is a book. She is writing a letter. Answer is a letter. And Hari went to Patna. There is no objective case in this sentence. So, here we will not write any answer as objective case because no object is present in the sentence. To know the object, you should add what and who in the main verb, and if the answer comes, that is objective case. C. Choose out the possessive case and write in the space given. He is my father. Answer is my. She is Sohan's mother. Answer is Sohan's. This is a girls' hostel. Answer is girls. The roof of the house is leaking. Answer is the roof of the house. And it is Ram's pen. Here answer is Ram's. So these words shows possession. So these are in possessive case. And D. Underline the vocative case in each. Vocative case addresses someone or calls someone. Dear friends, come on. Answer is dear friends. Ram, come here. In this sentence, Ram. Rise early, Mohan. Answer is Mohan. Mohan is in vocative case here. And my dear son, live long. Here, my dear son is in vocative case. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.